you just bought yourself a Shotshell adapter, but your mag doesn't quite work, doesn't fit in your gun properly. Inside the adapter, 3 magazine tabs will be included. These allow you to modify the tabs without having to modify the actual body, which is why 3 extras are included. 2 of them have thicker edges and 1 has a thinner edge. This is to allow you to try out different mag indent widths. You will need an M2 Allen key to change the tabs out. 2 screws right here, that's all you need. Now these tabs are designed to fit in very snugly, to not allow any movement at all, so you might need to use a tool to slide them out. The one that comes installed is the same thickness as the thick walled tabs. So you've got 3 of the thick walled and 1 of the thin walled. Now let's say your mag release is thicker than the average mag release, so you take this thin one, you install it, try it out, but if it still isn't enough, what you can do is take a cutter blade or a small file and enlarge the sides of the mag indent tab. This because there's 3, this allows you to try multiple different widths and not mess up your actual body. So I'm gonna uninstall this thin one in the opposite order that I did the thick one. Instead of trying to put it in from top bottom, slide it in. It's a really snug fit, so there's absolutely no wobble, no extra wobble in your magwell. Be careful not to cross thread the screw, as the plastic will strip. There you have it. Your mag release indent is installed properly. Hope this is helpful, and email me if you have any other questions or concerns or complaints. Thank you.